I think India and Oman have shared a very, very friendly relationship, very positive business relationship. Our trade, which is approximately 10 billion, I think is growing at 19-20% year on year. India is the second and third largest partner if you look at export-import. Very important partner for Oman, but also for India. Oman is a very important partnership, being a staging post for what I would call Southeast Asia, South Asia, East Africa corridor, especially with ports like Duqm, Salalah, Sohar. I think it will play a very important role in our what I would call international growth as we move towards Viksit Bharat. Also, Oman has been one of those countries which have been extremely friendly in our outreach to Middle East. Our Prime Minister has had a very strong push towards very, very positive relationships with Middle East as well as with Southeast Asia, the immediate neighboring space. And Oman is a very big part of that. And I want to thank His Highness and His Excellencies here who support that process through their engagement within and with India.
And do you have any plan to invest here?
Tatas are very much part of the ecosystem here. We are providing a lot of services through TCS. Most of our entities are participating in several projects. We also have trading relationship in terms of materials and resources which we buy for our manufacturing, whether it be chemicals or for steel. So we would continue to expand. In terms of opportunities, we've always been looking at Oman for some of the opportunities, especially in the area of chemicals. We would continue to engage with this. As and when we identify something very positive, we will be here. But as we speak, we are engaged both in providing services as well as trading partnerships as well as implementing projects here.